Welcome back to episode 6 of my Midwest Modernist series, where I share new takes on classic recipes from my childhood growing up in the Midwest. Each of these recipes have their heart and soul in the Midwest, with a modern spin using fresh ingredients and global flavors. Now, today's recipe is a bit of a stretch because it was born out of wanting to revamp a rhubarb crisp, but the Midwest does crisps right, and why fix something that isn't broken? So instead, I'm opting to combine the ease of a crisp with the idea of a pie and make a galette, which is essentially a rustic freeform pie that's as easy, if not easier, to throw together as any crisp or crumble. The trick with rhubarb is striking the perfect balance between sweet and tart. Many rhubarb desserts are so cloyingly sweet that you lose the whole point of cooking and baking with rhubarb. It's tartness. So the key is to allow the rhubarb to shine, tartness and all, with just a bit of sweetness to round everything out. I like to use a tasteful amount of sugar, some strawberry jam, and a little bit of orange zest to achieve this. And luckily for all of us, I've grown out of my only homemade pie crust will do snobbery, and I'm here to tell you, store-bought is great and fine. Is it as good as homemade? No, but will it do? 1000%. The result is an easy and impressive dessert that stands tall on its own and even taller with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream.